Don't plant parsley in dry conditions. That's where everyone makes a mistake. There is an old trick that makes parsley grow thicker and faster without thinning. I have prepared the parsley seedlings, and we are going to the garden for planting. Parsley likes loose and nutritious soil. If the soil is hard, be sure to pulverize it and add some compost. Parsley seedlings are planted from March to May. When there is no more severe frost, the earth also warms up. I make a planting site 5 centimeters deep. The distance between the plants is 8 centimeters. If you plant in several rows, the distance between the rows is 20 centimeters. I do not plant parsley seedlings in dry conditions. I add a little water to the planting site and make mud. Thus, the root absorbs moisture immediately, and there is no shock after planting. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I put the parsley seedling directly in the mud and lightly tamp the soil. Now I need wood ash. I add some wood ash around each plant. Wood ash is rich in potassium and minerals. Later, I will water the parsley with a natural nettle fertilizer. Fertilizer made from nettle accelerates growth and gives dark green sheets. Parsley likes moisture. I water regularly so that the soil is moist but not soaked. If you liked the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thanks, friends.